In this second tutorial series on essay writing, we're going to look at an issue that many students are uncertain of and find confusing, namely how and when to cite sources. But before doing that, we need to look at why we need to cite sources. And that gets us into the topic of plagiarism. You need to cite sources when you're using either the words or ideas of someone else. If you don't cite the source, then you can be accused of plagiarism, which is a serious ethics violation for writers. And in school, it can result in failing a class or even getting you suspended. But it's a confusing topic for many students. So in this tutorial course, I'm going to show you first what plagiarism looks like, and then give an overview of the basic rules for how and when to cite sources. The course has two parts. Here are the videos in part 1 that go over the basic definition of plagiarism and give examples of plagiarism that start from the most obvious cases and move to the least obvious cases, at least from a student perspective. Here are the videos in part 2, which focus on basic principles for citing sources. The series concludes with an introduction to the most commonly used citation styles that you'll encounter in academic writing, and some tips on when to use one or the other style.